Are you ready to start a new life and live for free at the beach? Have I got the real estate offering for you? Welcome to Port Franks, Ontario, home to one of the best beaches in the Grand Bend region and also home to my latest Port Franks listing, a completely renovated and rebuilt multi-family complex boasting 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 6 kitchens across its 7 total units, and the current owners aren't even using all of the available space provided with the 2 well-built structures. This extremely impressive boutique residential hotel can be operated as an Airbnb money-making gem while still providing a spectacular property and home to be owner-occupied. As shown with the current owner's perfect ratings on the applicable social platforms, they have paved the way for continued success with exceptional brand equity. I've literally never listed anything like it. Even living in the primary residential unit, you'll be bringing in well in excess of 6 figures per year at this one-of-a-kind location, nestled away on the corner of Clayton Street, just steps to the river, a short bike ride to the beach, and surrounded by impeccable landscaping and endless mature trees and forest to foster the maximum privacy required for a premium high-class rental property like this one. As we head indoors for a tour of some of the outstanding rooms and spaces to accommodate your guests and extended family, you'll quickly see that the value is not just about the property. Across the 7 units, almost everything is brand new. Windows, doors, 2 new furnaces, steel roof, flooring, walls, the brand new sauna and hot tub. That sauna is awesome. Ceilings, LED lighting, bathrooms, kitchens, 7 fireplaces, quartz counters. This vast multi-unit residential compound has undergone the upgrades of 5 houses combined in the last 2 years, with all of the electrical and plumbing done with permits. By the way, did I mention that this is a turnkey package? Literally everything is included. Furnishings, a retail store's worth of appliances, beds and linens, a new fitness studio fully outfitted with quality equipment, home theater with Dolby Surround, smart home technology, 3 barbecues and a smoker, a security surveillance system, everything you need to turn the key and make that phenomenal rental income. The inclusion list is endless. Just contact me at the number on the screen to learn more. The zoning at this property even allows the unfinished space to have a commercial application, although I think the space would be much better suited to add more bedrooms and living space to the primary residential unit. Case in point, even with the money this property is already making, you still have more options to grow or make the main home larger. Back outdoors, you're once again getting a sense of just how gorgeous this property can be, not just in the summer, but during the winter too. Just imagine kicking back in that brand new therapeutic hot tub spa after a quick hike through the woods or a kayak in the river just steps from your front door. And as shown here, Lake Huron is just around the corner, with Port Franks providing one of the best and most secluded beaches in the area. As we take the quick bike ride down to that picturesque sandy shoreline to wrap up, let's review this incredible package. 2 rock-solid and extremely well-renovated 4-season structures, each with their own hydro, gas, and water service, by the way, providing 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 6 kitchens across 7 units with even more space to grow into, well over 6 figures a year in rental income to cover your expenses and earn you a decent living, and all tucked away in a stellar location just a few minutes south of everything you need in Grand Bend. The affordability of this price in this market, it'll surprise you. Whether it's an incomparable family getaway or a means for you to finally quit that day job and change your life, this is the type of real estate treasure that only comes along once per decade. Picture yourself enjoying this beach and sunset while your new property just 2 kilometers away is filling your pockets with rental income. Call me for a private tour and pricing information today. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.